Hi everyone, my name's Lorraine Young and I'm here from a very cold and freezing Edinburgh, and I'd like to share with you today my favourite Pilates exercise, which is rolling like a ball. It's a fantastic exercise, but it's an exercise that needs to be built up gradually so that your clients feel really comfortable when they get to the full potential of the exercise. So the way that I would do that is I would always start with rolling like a ball. So that gives a really nice massage to these back muscles. It's also good for spine segmentation, and it just gets you nice and warm and your spine ready to continue. So let's try the rolling like a ball now. So from here, make sure you've got enough room at the back. You're going to position yourself and just bring your heels slightly off the floor. Wrap these hands around nice and tight. Remember, you're a little ball, so you're tucking everything in. You're going to inhale as you go back, rounding that spine, connecting to your center. So inhaling. Now lift your feet off the floor, round the back as you go down, and then lift up. Nice flowing movement, tucking it all in, keeping it nice and tight and as straight as you can. Make sure you're on your shoulders, never on your neck, and up you come. Now the other thing that I think is really, really key and good to help people get into open leg rocker is a nice spine stretch. So this will help your spine stretching and also the hamstrings, which is key in the open leg rocker. So sitting right up on your sit bones, what you're going to do is place your hands here, inhale, and as we exhale, dropping that rib cage, lengthening it out, and just pushing the hands away, drop the shoulders. And just do a couple of breaths down here as you're holding that position. Coming up slowly. Now you do that a few times, and what I would also do is I would put them both together, so it gets people into that nice flow of movement. So we'll do a couple of rolling like a ball, and then we'll do the spine stretch, and that will lead us into our open leg rocker. So from here, inhaling, one more time, and then coming into your spine stretch. Get yourself positioned correctly, think about your alignment, lengthening these hands away from the shoulders, dropping the shoulders down, and breathing. Now coming up slowly, you're going to come up into balance point. So from here, into balance point. Now you're likely going to hold your hands against here. Drop the shoulders, and then coming into the open leg rocker, lifting into these legs, pointing the toes, dropping the shoulders. You know, a lot of abdominal loading here. You're going to round your back, slowly let yourself go. As you pull up, you're going to lift out from the sternum, drop your shoulders, hold that position, inhale, and lift. A lot of abdominal loading. Keep a nice flow and think about beauty and grace as you flow, pulling up out of the sternum, lift your chest. Last one, and bring it down. Okay, that is my favourite Pilates exercise. Merry Christmas to you all, and have a great 2023.